The animals get together to play in the park. Simple spots something unusual in the park.
I just saw something on that tree.
It's just a tree. There is nothing else there.
There is something behind that bench.
Where? I cannot see anything there.
They're right, Chirpy. We are not alone here. Look!
A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, and U, V, W, X, Y, and the last letter Z.
They are the alphabets, and now you know their names. To know more about them, you can go into their world.
Where did they go? I cannot see them anywhere.
Hey, Rory, did you see the alphabets on your way?
Alphabets? I don't know if they were alphabets, but they definitely didn't look like us. They went down that path. I think this is where they live. Let's go inside and find them. Let's play a game. Whoever finds the most letters wins. Wow, that sounds like fun. Let's go.